Hi, I'm Vivian, and today I'm making creme brulee. Creme brulee is a classic French dessert. It's not just a delight to the taste buds, but also a fascinating example of food chemistry in action. At the heart of its unique flavor and texture is the process of caramelization. When we sprinkle sugar on top of the custard and apply heat, a chemical reaction occurs. The sugar molecules break down and recombine, forming new compounds that give creme brulees its distinct caramelized flavor topping. This process, also known as the Maillard reaction, is a type of non-enzymatic browning that is crucial in many culinary creations. It's the same reaction that gives toasted bread, roasted coffee, and grilled steak their rich flavors and aromas. In creme brulee, the caramelized sugar forms a hard, glossy crust that contrasts beautifully with the creamy custard beneath, showcasing the magical interplay between chemistry and cuisine. So now let's actually get started for me to make the creme brulee today. Hi, so we're gonna start with the ingredients. So we have heavy cream, egg yolk, vanilla extract, salt, and sugar. So our first step is we just preheated the oven over there to 325 degrees, and then we're gonna just wait for it to heat up. Now we're gonna cook the salt, the vanilla extract, and the heavy cream together. We're gonna cook just until it gets warm, and we're gonna do that. Oh, this is 1 cup of heavy cream, and then we're gonna put half teaspoon of vanilla extract and like one just a little bit of salt, because we're doing serving for 2 today. Okay, let's get started.
So the base of creme brulee is a custard, which is made of gently heating a mixture of cream and egg yolks. Egg yolks contain proteins that coagulate or set at different temperatures. When the mixture is heated slowly, these proteins form a network that traps the liquid cream, creating a smooth and silky custard. The key is to heat the mixture just enough so that it sets without curdling, which would happen if the protein were to coagulate too much.
And then we're adding all of them into the cream. We're stirring them. Yay! We just poured the finished mixture into this big thingy. Yeah, and we put water under this, so bake better. Yay. Set the timer to 40, and we're ready to eat, to bake and eat. We just refrigerated for a whole day, and now we're gonna put some sugar on top, and now it's the caramelization process. Okay, I'm gonna put a little more. Okay. So we tried to caramelize the top, and it was like okay, and we went a little too far, so this is a little bit, but it tastes really good.
So the iconic caramelized sugar topping of creme brulee is a result of the Maillard reaction. It is a chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars that gives browned food their distinctive flavor. When the sugar is sprinkled on top of the custard and exposed to high heat, which we did by using a lighter because we don't really have the other cooking tool in our kitchen, but it kind of worked with the browning part at least. So it melts, and then undergoes this reaction in forming a complex mixture of flavors in a hard glass-like caramel layer. So the contrast between the smooth, creamy custard and the hard, brittle, caramelized sugar topping is the key aspect of the dessert's appeal. This contrast is a direct result of different chemical processes involved in cooking the 2 components.
So now I'm showcasing my second thing that I'm making, which is scrambled eggs.